The Slovenian Democratic Party won the 2004 parliamentary elections by a large majority. Prime Minister and President of the Slovenian Democratic Party, Janez Janša, was given the mandate to form the 8th Slovenian government, a coalition government of centre-right parties and members of the European People's Party. This was the first such government with long-term prospects and policies to come to power in Slovenia in 12 years. The Slovenian Democratic Party was also the winner of the local elections in 2006. The SDS took the biggest responsibility in the work of the present Slovenian government and parliament. I would also like to give my sincere praise to Prime Minister Janez Janša and the Slovenian Democratic Party for the successful EU presidency during the first 6 months of this year. As President of the European People's Party, I believe that the Slovenian Democratic Party, member of the largest European democratic family, will stand together when it comes to defending our common ideals. We will succeed again this year by gaining the support of the Slovenian people and shall win a second mandate in office in the general elections on the 21st of September.